Hey guys, I'm just going to show you this new cooling system thing I've got, and we're going to test it out because I've got to fill up the radiator. So it's a coolant funnel system, so you can fill up your radiator with water. So it's pretty cool. This is what you get inside it. The instructions, well, you get a whole bunch of explaining each bits that are in here, but also you get a little instructional here which tells you how to do it all, which is pretty cool. You know, if you've never done something like this, you've got to be careful because it's hot water you're dealing with here, right? So so all these little bit attachments, I guess I've got to find the right one and which one's going to fit, and then pretty much work it all out. So let me just take them all out, I'll lay them out, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I've just laid everything out here so you could see. These are all the bits you get in here, and that's the floater, which that helps you block, as you can see here, it helps you block the water from coming in. You'll see that in action, but you've got to find the right fit. So it'll be one of these, and they basically have a rubber seal, push them in. So this was the right one, I think, that I had found, as the other ones weren't really, they didn't really fit. So you find the right one that fits for your car. Now, if you don't know what you're doing, see a mechanic. You know, be cautious. I'm not an expert here. Don't take my advice if you're unsure. Okay, but I have worked on vehicles and I work on my cars, and I'm not a mechanic. But if you just want to fill up your water, that's what you'll do. See how this sits in there? It's got the rubber seal. So then you just pop that in, nice and snug, doesn't turn, doesn't move. Once you've done that, you want to find a bit that goes over the top. Out of all the bits I've tried, this is the only one that fits for my car. So you just sort of put it on like that, and then press it down, it tightens and it locks in, as that has done there, as you can see. And then once that's done, basically this little bit here just sits in nice and snug. Push it in, and then as you see here, that allows us to fill it up with coolant and block it when we need to. And just show you, and this is all we're doing, pretty much just filling it up.
No, found it.
There we go. Guys, just talking Greek a bit, no problem there. And we're filling it all up, as you can see. I'll just show you how it's filming on the top. And this is the little bit that you can use as a stopper if you wanted to just prevent water to continue to run down. But we're not doing that because we're obviously filling it all up. And we'll continue adding more. That's all it is. It's pretty simple, and it'll stop overflow and it'll do the job. Thanks for watching.